guys, how you doing? It's Henry at Mowers and Blowers. Welcome to another weekend product review. Today I'm reviewing another smart lock. As you know from my previous episode, I decided that I was gonna go to new technology and use a smart lock, a keypad combination so that you can get into your house. What's the difference if you have a key or you don't have a key? This also does have a key in case you forget your code or you have a malfunction. But this makes it much easier to get into your house. No more worrying about where did I put my keys or did I lock the door? This locks it all by itself. Let's open it up. This is the Elamor Keypad Deadbolt lock for your door. Let's open this Bluetooth Wi-Fi intelligent door lock from Elamor. This is the model M22. Has instructions. Lots of boxes. Let's open up this one and see what it is. This is the hardware and your extra keys for the deadbolt. And here is the door lock itself. Really sleek keypad with the touchpad that's lit up and your emergency key deadbolt. On this side is where the battery goes into. This is on the inside of your door and you can lock it and unlock it from the inside. Let's install this now. To install the batteries, it requires 4 AA batteries. Since my front door already has the new Elamor key lock, I'm going to install this in my back door to the garage. So there you go, guys. It's all installed. I'm gonna peel this sticky film off. And there you go. Has a lock, so you can open the door, close it, and you can also lock it like any old deadbolt, right? And also, you have your secret code. You punch it in, it opens up automatically. I'll punch in my number, just like that. Tap it, punch in your number, unlock. Then after 10 seconds, it'll lock itself. Close it. Then after 10 seconds, it'll lock itself. From the inside going outside, you just unlock it as normal. Come outside. Close the door, and it'll lock by itself. To get in, touch the keypad so it lights up, put your number in. Fantastic. So I'm very happy because I've never been able to open and close this door very well because everything was just messed up from the start. We were never able to lock this door. But because I installed this Elamor keypad lock today, I was able to fix everything. So the bottom works, top works, and I just love how this all works. Keypad turns on as soon as you touch it. If you guys would like one of these to upgrade your locks from a old key system to a combination lock system, go check out the link in the description. Really works great. see you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.
Hey, I'm Andy from Jericho.
See you guys next time on Mowers and Blowers.